Do you like small Class C's? Do you like a diesel engine as well? Do you like Mercedes and great gas mileage? Well, guess what? We got some Melbournes in stock. Let's take a look. We'll check it out with Chuck. One of the great things about the Melbournes is you can actually sit down, be comfortable, have company, because these chairs, they swivel around. Check this out. I'm nice and comfortable sitting down. I can converse with the people here, maybe even in the dinette that's just to your left. Take a peek. They could be sitting there and you can have a nice conversation. Another great feature in these Melbournes is the kitchen. Got a nice big sink in here that you can do your dishes. 2-burner stove, convection microwave. Lots of drawers down here to hold your food. Good area for canned goods, stuff like that. Doesn't get much better than that, not in my opinion. Another fantastic feature is the full slide on the side of this unit, which really opens up this floor plan. Got a nice area over here that you can sit, eat some lunch, maybe some breakfast, dinner, whatever you like. As you come back this way, got a nice queen size bed that's all the way slid out, and you can take yourselves a nap, make it nice and comfortable for at night, along with, check that out, holding all your clothes, good storage, good drawers. Look at these bad boys. You're not lacking storage on the inside of this one. And another good spot in this unit is right here in the bathroom. Take a peek. Very good size for a nice 24-foot motor home. Plenty of shower space. Take a look at the counter there. Good storage, lots of drawers. I'm telling you, you gotta come take a peek at this one. Thanks for checking it out with Chuck today. The Melbourne 24L. Come ask for me when you want to come down. See ya.